As you can imagine, when there's something like a hurricane, there are going to be all sorts of legal issues. Everything from problems involving your house and your property. Your house has been damaged. Your tree has fallen onto the neighbor's yard, or the neighbor's tree has fallen on your yard. I think you just take all of the legal issues that exist day to day and just compress them into a small period of time and make them much more extreme. The tree issue is one of the most common questions that I'll get after a hurricane, and the law is not what people think the law is. But basically, when your tree is blown down due to an act of God, you don't have any liability for that. So it may be your tree that's on your neighbor's car or in your neighbor's yard, but you are not responsible for the damage that occurred. That's why it's so important that we all have our own insurance. But on the other hand, it is your tree that's in their yard, so you are responsible for getting the tree out of there. It doesn't matter really how the tree got there, you still have to get it out, but you're not responsible for the damage that occurred. There's a misconception also in terms of what people are entitled to when there's been damages. People have to be realistic. If you lose something and it cost $5,000 and they give you the $5,000 to replace it, that's usually all you're entitled to. The fact that you may have been inconvenienced a little, the fact that something may have hurt a little, the fact that you were a little bit upset, the law usually doesn't give you a lot of money for that. And people who think there's a pot at the end of the rainbow, all I need is a lawsuit, that's not the law, and it's really never been the law. You don't want to go out there yelling and screaming at somebody when you're wrong. So I think the most important thing, know your rights.